Okay guys, I'm going to talk about having a cheat day on your diet. So this is something I've done before. It hasn't quite been a cheat day as such. It's been a bit more strategic than that, in which case I don't call it a cheat day. I call it a refeed day. To be honest, it's fairly similar. You've been dieting throughout the week, eating in a calorie deficit, less calories than your body needs to maintain weight. So great, you'll be losing weight during that time, but you're beginning to get tired of the diet, feeling hungry a lot, you're having cravings. But it can be an idea to have one day a week where you up your calorie intake to maintenance level, and then after that day, go back to eating in a calorie deficit again. So that one day, it's not like a free-for-all, eat anything you want, because unfortunately, I've seen people do that. Often you just end up undoing all the good hard work you've done during the week dieting, because at the end of the day, it's calories is calories. So, right, your calorie level might be low Monday to Friday. Saturday, you eat so much that it compensates for all the calories you didn't eat during that time period. It literally wipes it out. So the cheat day, refeed day, whatever you want to call it, I like to keep it at calories at maintenance level so that it's enough to psychologically make me feel better. I've got to include foods that I haven't eaten during the week, and at the same time it's not enough to just like wipe out all that dieting I've done beforehand. So you can still be losing weight that way. I'm running a free 14-day challenge that I've named the Doughnut Diet, and I will be showing you the flexible dieting system I use so that you can get a lean, muscular physique without having to give up your favorite junk food. So please click on the link and sign up for my 14-day free challenge.